Hello. I'm going to walk you through how to do page transitions. The first thing you need to do is log on to your Simplebooklet dashboard and then choose the Simplebooklet that you would like to add a transition to, and head down to this button right here, which is a pencil icon that says Enhance Pages. Click on that. That'll bring you up to your Simplebooklet, and then what you're going to do is you're going to head to the Design tab, which is represented by an icon of a painter's palette up at the top of the menu here. And from here, you are going to go to Page Flip, which is the first icon represented as a book, and it says Page Flip on your left-hand menu. And then you are going to go to Page Flip Transitions, which is the first item in the list here and has a little edit pencil icon. Click on that, and here we are. Here are your options. If you hover over each of these options, you will see the way the page flip will be animated. If you have a page spread book, a double page, you can choose between these ones here, or a trifold. This one's not showing for me because I don't have a trifold booklet, but you might have one. Pick your page transition, and then you can head over to mobile flip transition and pick your mobile flip transition here. And then if you would like to go into flip timing, you can manually adjust your timing here and the direction of the page flips, so single or double, shadow or no shadow. These are more advanced settings. You don't necessarily need to change anything if you don't want to, but when you are done, you can go ahead and click Done. And that's it. Then you can preview your page flip transitions here in Preview.